Antonio, ito na pala si Commissioner. Alintabo for 3, wala. Nakuha ni Commissioner, follow-up shot, wala pa rin. And there is a basket plus the foul. Basket count, foul on number 13. Hit to the hand, bonus shot. Number 13, that is your second personal, first team foul. And makes a 3-point play. Number 6, susubok ulit sa 3. Rebound ni Antonio, nabitawan lang. Nawala ang bola. Aziz crossover, goes for the spin. Nawala ang bola. Ito na ulit Alintabo, and that is a turnover. Yellow, number 6, tres na naman, and there is a foul. Foul on number 10, that is a push, 3 shots. Number 10, that is your third personal, first team foul. Tatlong free throws po yan, number 6. First free throw. Wala pa rin. Third free throw, wala pa rin. And since that is an air ball, ball na po ng Page. Three-pointer, wala. Rebound Antonio, follow-up shot is good. Loses the ball. Ito na ang Page. 2-on-1 situation. Layup is good. Yellow retains 10 seconds to shoot, and that is a 3-second violation. Substitution ref. Antonio from Antonio. Antonio ulit. Too much Antonio. That is good for 2. Assist and basket made by Antonio. Three-pointer. Wala. Rebound. Number 23. Barroso gives it over to the enemy. Layup number 7, and that is a call on the floor. Technical foul on number 10. Again, bawal po tayo pumalakpak. Substitution ref. Number 10, that's your 4th personal second team foul. Technical free throws po muna. Again, reminder po sa mga players, bawal po tayong pumalakpak, bawal tayong sumigaw, bawal tayong mag-stop in the act of shooting. Technical foul po yun. Salamat po. Same ball po tayo, that's gonna be yellow. Alintabo. Nawala ang bola. Ioson. Attack. Pasa palayon. Number 8. Uses the glass. Too much glass. Antonio. And gets foul. Foul on number 13. That is the blocking. Number 13. That is your 3rd personal second team foul. That is an inbound violation. Under 5 minutes remaining. For 3. Wala. Rebound Antonio. Antonio, layup too strong. Yellow with a rebound. Ito na ang yellow. Yellow layup is good. Martinez, Antonio ulit, and there is a foul. Foul number 2. That is a blocking foul. Substitution po, inbound tayo. Number 2, that is your 3rd personal 13 foul. Number 10, 3-pointer, masyadong malakas. Sioson, baseline drive. Nawala nga lang ang bola. Antonio, layup is good.
Opening ka.
Martinez with the rebound. Muntik nang lumakas yung pasa. Three-point roulette, basket for three. Antonio strikes for a three. Muntik nang tumama, and that is an air ball. Pati kami, muntik ng ma-turnover. June, binigay kay Navarro, binigay kay Sioson. 2-pointer left. Antonio, hindi nagsasayang ng oras. Nawala nga lang ang bola. Aziz, susubok sa tres. Wala. That is Arbaus. Bola ulit ng Beige. Antonio drives to reverses, voila. That's gonna be yellow ball. Under 1 minute remaining. Wow. Napawaw na lang ako. Sioson, wala. Martinez with the rebound. 7 seconds difference between the shot clock and the game clock, and there is a foul. Foul on number 13. Number 13, that is your fourth personal warning. That is a three-pointer. Hail Mary. Hail lang. Yun lang. Wala na tayong bola. And that is your third quarter. To the ball game, yellow ball po tayo. Yellow ball. Defense po ang Beige.
Sis, tira mo. Kagabi, mahilaw kami. Chris, gusto yan.
Attack, drop pass, intercepted. Frank, napasobra kaya ta, hindi doon ang ring. And that is turnover. Retain possession po pala, last touch ng yellow. Kala ko uuwi na si Frank eh. Sa dulo na tumakbo eh. Barcenia. J. Renz. Wala. Rebound. Last touch. Wait lang po. Ano pong tawag? Correction po, it's gonna be yellow ball. Si Frank na umamin na eh. Pero okay lang. Abuting manggaling na sa referee natin na wala ang bola. Gonna be same ball. Team na wala ang bola. At meron tayong foul. Foul on that's an unsportsmanlike foul, number 7. Number 7, upo ka po muna ng 2 minutes. Upo ka muna number 7. Unsportsmanlike foul po ang tawag natin. And with free throws po yan, sir. May free throws po. Grabe yung intense ng laro natin. May unsportsmanlike foul pa. Sobrang intense. Sir, sakli po sir, Frank, team. Sabi muna kayo, baka matagataan kayo dyan. Diyan pa naman yung metro.
Dalawa pa, isa pa yun. Isa pa.
Isa pa po. Plus possession po yan. And next the second one. Alright, defense ball in the base. Aziz. And that is your shot clock violation. Yung next game po natin, mag-ready na. Team White laban sa national team ng Qatar. Ano ba yun? Hindi, mga bata. Purple. Foul on number 17. That is a hit to the hand. Number 17, that's going to be your first personal second team foul. Aziz. G. Marvin E. T. 10 seconds to shoot. Aziz, 3-pointer. Wala. Rebound. Page. Balik, Kaparat. Wala. Rebound, Frank. Basket. Medyo ang cute ng pito ng ating referee bench. That's traveling. Medyo solidan natin yung pito bench. Kuha mo na Niel para hindi ulo mo yung makuha niya sa video. Basket na naman para kay Tito Frank. Niloloko ko lang kami kayo eh. Puro ka pang loloko eh. Ting, naagawan ulit ang bola. Kaparat tries a 3. Wala. Yellow with the rebound. June. Attack. Jump pass, kicks it out. G for 3. Wala, rebound sa Paras. J-Ren, wow. Frank, and there is a foul. Foul on number 1. That is a hit to the hand, 2 shots. Timeout! Beige. Number 1, that's going to be your second personal, first team foul. First free throw is good. Shoutouts kay Tito Romel Yuzon. Ay daw sabi ni Kem. Substitution, ref? Tito Romel, nabero ka na pala talaga ngayon. Idol ka ni Tito kayo. Huwag ka lang magugulat. E for 3. Basket for 3. Score po natin, konti na lang, 36-67. Konti na lang ang natitirang oras. Hindi po yung score. Tito Carl, ayaw pa rin tumira. J-Renz, binigay pa. 8 seconds to shoot. Antonio for the jumper. That's good for 2. Tito Carl. That's going to be last touch. Yellow. Under 5 minutes remaining. Daniel, power move. Wala. Tito Carl rebounding with no jump. 23, uses the glass, too much glass. J-Renz, wala pa rin. Tatlo na kayo dyan. Basket for 2. Aziz, attack, lays it up. Too much board. Daniel with the rebound. And there is a foul. What is the call? Left foul on number 10. That is a hit to the hand. Number 10, substitution ref. Number 10, that is your 5th personal. You are out of the game. Again, reminder lang po ulit sa mga players natin, yung mga balanse po natin, pasuyo na lang. Make both free throws. Tito Carl, bumitaw sa 3. Muntik na tumama. Out of bounds. Bola ng yellow. Tito Carl, mukhang di maganda gising mo. Mukhang kanina ka pa. Pinag-itripan na yata ang aming damdamin. Gives it over. Daniel fade away. That's good for 2. Grabe, puro Daniel yung score, oh. Puro siyoso. Mag-ready na po yung ating next game. Daniel with the rebound. Ito na, number 8. Yellow, tatlong nakadilaw. And there is a foul. Foul on number 1. That is a push. Two shots. Number 1. That is your first personal fourth team foul. Gawan with the free throw jumper. Gawan again makes it this time. Tito Card, baseline pass. Jay Ren, basket. Basket ulit for 3. For 3. Gawan blows the layup. Reyes wala. Daniel with the board. Under 2 minutes remaining. Marvine, wala. Si Oson, power move, basket pa rin. Grabe ko si Oson, kondisyon. Jay Ren, binigay kay Barroso. Reyes, basket na naman, grabe. Verdugo, under a minute remaining. 3-pointer, wala. Rebound Daniel, basket ulit. Too much scoring this guy. Rebound pa rin ng Page. 3-pointer din. Wala rin. Rebound ni Jay Ren. Linayo pa. Gusto pa ng mahirap. Wala na tayong shot clock. 10 seconds. Gawan. Layup is good.